This is Rachel Hamilton reporting in studio. Brown University is facing a lawsuit from a former student over its handling of a sexual assault case 2 years ago. The lawsuit, filed Thursday in U.S. District Court of Providence, raises the question of whether Brown dropped a disciplinary proceeding against the male student who allegedly drugged the complainant to protect him because he was the son of a trustee. Brown previously denied that it was a factor. It's the latest in a wave of legal actions brought against Brown and other universities accused of mishandling sexual assault cases under the federal title law, which is designed to prevent gender discrimination in education. This case sparked a protest at Brown last year when hundreds of students silently marched across campus, many with dollar bills taped across their mouths to signify their belief that money and influence were more important than victims of sexual assault. The woman, identified as Jane Doe in the lawsuit, says after she and a friend were unknowingly drugged at a fraternity party by the trustee's son, a different male student sexually assaulted her in her dorm room. Doe is suing Brown, the Kappa Psi fraternity, and the trustee's son, identified as John Smith, in the complaint. The man accused of sexually assaulting her was found not responsible in a school disciplinary proceeding that Doe argues is flawed. He was not named in the lawsuit. Doe says Brown mishandled the case in failing to perform the proper DNA tests and sending the samples to disreputable labs that then botched the testing. The lab results were also inconclusive. Brown then completely dropped the disciplinary proceeding against the trustee's son and the man accused of sexually assaulting her, even though there were testimonies of witnesses that had, in fact, said that he purchased the alcohol and had made and served the beverage especially for Miss Doe and her friend. Brown commented on the problems with testing, in which the administrator said they had since made improvements to the complaint process and called the case complicated and difficult. They also said while the decisions that have been made, what we feel are believe fair and appropriate, we fully appreciate that not all members of the community do or will agree with us. Reporting in studio, this is Rachel Hamilton.